Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a vid on this is the AXN floater jet, and this plane I've actually learned how to fly a plane with it. And let me tell you, this thing is durable like you wouldn't believe. I'll go through it real quick. I have snapped the wing there. I've snapped the wing there. Broke the little thing that holds your canopy on. It's gone. I've snapped it all right there. Snapped it there. I've snapped it actually in half right there and there twice. I put it full throttle into the water. My first big crash was about from 40 feet, and I went nose dove it right into the ground. And let me tell you, durable. You guys want a plane that's durable? This is the one you want. And this thing can do aerobatics, and it flies like a bat out of hell. But yeah, I'm gonna give her a quick rip and show you. And after I actually slammed it into the water there, I had to replace all 4 servos. Those 2, and the 2 under the wing, one right there and one over here. And I replaced the speed controller from a 2 amp to a 3 amp to give it a little more power. And let me tell you, it screams again. I think no matter what, I will always own one of these planes. Even if I can totally demolish it, I'll still have one. So yeah, I'll do a little flight demo here. Show you how it is. I'll try to keep it close. It's hard to, but I'll try to. And yeah, I'll do a couple loops, come in for a landing, and show you how it goes. Like, even listen to this thing. Unreal. Here we go. This is just a hand launch and a belly lander. So here we go. It still flies like it was brand new. And the thing just screams. That wasn't even quite full throttle. Yeah, she's a beauty. Do a little loop here if I can. Unreal. I can't say enough about this thing. It does everything. Like I can glide. Like it's mint. I want to save a little bit of battery, just glide around. Sure. Or you want to get fancy and you punch it. So awesome. And yeah, guys, I've had this thing in half a few times. See if I can come in for a quick flyby here. I'll do it the other way. Unbelievable. Oh, and yeah, did I mention too, this plane is actually only about 70 bucks. Alright, I'll bring her in for a landing here. Now this is probably actually the hardest part about flying this thing, is bringing it into land. A lot of other guys are probably pretty good at it, but I'm still kind of learning how to land this. So forgive me if I crash. There you got it. It wasn't so bad. But that has it. This thing's a beauty. Anybody want to learn how to fly a plane? This is the one you want. Thanks for watching, guys.